मम्मी प्लीज यार, मम्मी प्लीज, कहाँ शी करते हैं। Hello guys, this is Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great and safe. So as you all know by the title already that I'm gonna talk about the brand Plum today. In past I've used a lot of Plum products. I've used their kajal, I've used their green tea night gel, I've used their face wash, their moisturizer, their sunscreen and whatnot. It's not that I've loved all of them, but yes, 80% of them are very nice products and they have worked like magic. So today's video is all about Plum and Plum, and just because it's a collaboration video, you don't need to worry about me giving fake reviews or something like that. So this brand has generously gifted me 4 products, and most of them I have used, like 3 of them I have used on myself, and my family has also loved it. So the first product here is the Plum Avocado Hair Mask, which is like super nourishing. Sorry for the disclaimer. So talking about this cleansing balm, I always wanted to buy this one. It has been in my list since ages now, and then I got lucky and tried it from my friend. Then again, I didn't have this with me. I am so glad that they sent me this. The third product I have here is my favorite face wash from the Plum skincare range, and this is their green tea pore cleansing face wash. This is like the holy grail product for the ones who are with oily combination and acne prone skin. I have used it, my sister has loved it, my mom has loved it. The fourth product we have here is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oils blend. So this is like a face oil which we are supposed to use like a last step in our skincare routine, and I have just started using this in my skincare routine, in my PM skincare routine, and I just love this as it is very quickly absorbing. So Plum is having a holiday sale on their website, and everything is on buy 2 get 2 free. Let me tell you more about the brand. That this brand is completely paraben chemicals free. This brand does not even test on animals. I love this brand so much that the ingredients are very interesting to me and very mild and gentle to the skin. So let's talk about the face wash here. It has glycolic and green tea in it. The glycolic is not way too concentrated, but it's like very mildly exfoliating and very good for daily use. So this is like the best face wash for acne prone skin and oily skin people. And this has cellulose beads in it, which is like not very harsh on your skin. It just melts away whenever you massage it on the skin. You won't even feel that those are scrubbing beads or something, but it is very gentle on the skin. I just love it. I guess this is the 4th tube of mine. Previously I've ordered 3 tubes. I've finished them and I've loved them a lot. Fragrance is also very mild, won't make your skin feel stretchy or dry post wash. I mean, usually the face wash it does that, and in winter specifically we do need something moisturizing and hydrating, but this one would work very amazingly. I like to use this one in my AM routine, in my PM routine, and I just love this. Also, this is unisex. Like, skincare is unisex. You don't need to look out for something which is made only for men or only for women. It's not like that. Skincare is unisex. Makeup is unisex. You can use anything or everything you want. So let's move on to this favorite product of mine after the face wash. So this is their cleansing balm, Illuminance.
Stop it. Get some help.
So this is the Illuminance cleansing balm, and this is like the best balm I have ever used. So this tub comes for like 545. You can get this on discount obviously. So this comes with this cute little scoop here, so that you can scoop it out and use it. You just don't need to dig your fingers every now and then. You know, it is kind of unhygienic using your fingers for scooping out the moisturizers and gels. So I would highly recommend you guys to stop using micellar water and start using this cleansing balm, because cleansing balms are more efficient and very easy to use as compared to the micellar water, because micellar water can you know, irritate a lot to your eyes. There are some micellar water which are very safe for the eye makeup and everything, for removing the eye makeup and everything, but again I personally like to use the cleansing balm. So you just need to scoop some amount and massage it on your skin while it removes your makeup. It just melts away everything, and then rinse it off with normal water and then use your face wash again, because this is what double cleansing means. If you're wearing heavy makeup, light makeup, or just sunscreen on your face, you need to use cleansing balm, because you just don't want anything on your face whenever you're going to sleep and apply some skincare products on your skin. Your skin should be very clean before you go with some skincare products on yourself. I guess this is the best one out in the market, and this is like very huge, bro. This is very huge, and you get so much of product in such a good price. And also there is this sale going on. You can just, you know, this is the best opportunity for you to buy all of these products. Like, they have many products to go for. There are kajals and there are skincare, hair care. There are many review videos as well, so you can check that out. I would really like to answer you all in the comments or anywhere you DM me about the products. I will definitely give you the honest review if I have used those products. So I would really and highly recommend you guys to use this cleansing balm once in your life. I guess they have got a small tub of this cleansing balm. You can check that out as well. So let's move on to the next product. Let's move on to the hair care product now, and this is their avocado hair mask. Let me tell you, if you have dry brittle hair and your hair is colored like mine, and I like to experiment with my hair a lot, which I have stopped recently because my hair has become very, you know, lifeless. So you've got such products which will give life to your hair. This product is amazing. So this is going to be my second tub. In the past I've used this hair mask and loved it a lot, and this is like the best deep conditioning hair mask. This mask has helped me regain the volume back. This huge tub comes for 675 rupees. This is like a best deal for me. I mean, also whenever you will go on Plum's website, you will get to see a lot of discounts and sales going on. You can also find this one on other websites as well, where you can you know, buy it for discounted price. So it's time to talk about this product, which is their Glow Restore oil, and it's a blend of many oils in it. This is like the best for winter season. If you're looking for something very hydrating and glowing, this is the one you should go for, because I have used this for a quite a long time now, and I have noticed that my skin glows whenever I wake up in the morning. So my skin type is like oily to combination, and most of the time my T-zone is very oily. My cheeks are very dry. Cheeks are like normal, but in winter season it tends to become more drier. So lately I've been trying this out for a week now, and I have just loved it. You can use this in the night, in the morning, whenever you want. I like to use this in my night skincare routine, so this has to be the last step of the routine. I also use some concentrated serums in my skincare routine, so this is like the best one to seal everything in. It's like very quickly absorbing. You know, there's this heavy feeling on your skin going on, but this one won't make you feel like that. I would really want you guys to try this out. Look at the texture. You can see it's slightly greenish. I also like to use this underneath my makeup. It's okay if you don't use any moisturizer before makeup. Just use this and a primer, and then apply whatever you want to. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review video. If you want to know any kind of reviews of the products you want, I'll comment down for sure. Also check out the sale which is going on the Plum's website. So yeah, that's it. Bye.